Today is the fresh update on the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou. The renovation continues to move forward at speed, with visible progress in every corner of the stadium. Temporary barriers are disappearing and definitive structures are taking their place, giving us a clear picture of what the future stadium will soon look like. Today we start at the Gol Sur area. The fences have been removed, allowing a clear view of the ongoing construction. The concrete floor has been completed, and the upper glass panels have been installed with rock wool. Some temporary protective coverings are still in place. Workers are actively installing rebar at the upper levels. Future retail spaces are taking shape, with doors already installed, although the glass is not yet in place. Protective nets are mostly installed on the lower lateral sections. Concrete work continues in the parking area, with freshly poured sections being watered and reinforced with rebar. The far corners of the parking level have already been concreted, and the first level is progressing steadily. Platforms are actively in use, supporting the installation of rebar and the placement of panels. Reinforcements are prepared for upcoming concreting in newly completed zones. The Gol Norte corner has seen significant progress over the last 2 weeks. Concreting is ongoing, with rebar and mesh installed in key sections. Vertical panels are being added around the diamond-shaped area, which will eventually house the future FC Barcelona store. Both interior and exterior panels for the overhang are being prepared and installed. Workers continue to check and secure brackets for the third overhang, and protective nets are in place. All structural supports are being reviewed to ensure stability before concrete placement. In the stands, installation of the second escalator has been completed, following the first escalator installed recently. Handrails are being adjusted, and panels and brackets for the upper sections are being finalized, including installation of red nets and removal of construction equipment. Most of the seats in Gol Sur are already in place, with only a few remaining. Construction at Camp Nou continues at a rapid pace, with major progress visible in Gol Sur, Gol Norte, the lateral areas, and the parking levels. The diamond area and future store sections are taking shape, and escalator installations in the stands are moving forward. Protective nets, rebar, and panels are being installed steadily, preparing for the next phase of concreting and finishing work. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like, subscribe to GigaBuild's update, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GigaBuild's update to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on GigaBuild's update.